how to attach a hole saw to your Black+Decker cordless drill. Now, what you do need, and if you've got a hole saw set, it should come with one of these. Now, if you don't have a hole saw set yet, I recommend starting off with an Amazon Basics one. It's ideal for little jobs, things like that, and it comes with the full set and all other different tools. So that's well worth checking out. But if you've already got one, what we need to do is first put this hole saw down. I want to untighten the screw here. And what we're going to do here is sort of like a jigsaw. See that shape? It matches here on the drill bit. So you want to slip that in until you feel it flush like that. You can see that it's gone in nice and flush because we've matched the shape up. And want to get that screw here. I want to screw this nice and tight. So now it's nice and tight. Do wear some gloves because you can catch yourself on these sharp hole saw. Want to then slip it into the chuck. Handy if we went the right way. Once you feel it pinch like that, get this hand, hold the chuck, this hand to hold the tightening screw, twist this hand towards you, this hand away. Pinch it up so you don't get any slipping of your hole saw. There you go. You've now attached a hole saw to your Black+Decker cordless drill. If you found that video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.